it's Anna from Atlas. In this video, I will tell you about using legend, how it gets created, how you can edit it, how you can give it a header, and how you can display it for your map viewers. So let's get started. I have a rental apartments in Denmark, my favorite demo project. So right now we just have a basic styling here, standard styling, but let's go ahead and style this differently, because what is legend about? It explains the styling. So what is the visualization of the map trying to communicate to you? So let's do some visualization first then. So I'm going to style it on the right side panel, style by field, and first with monthly rent. And I'm going to select the diverging palette, and I'm going to edit it to have more steps. And you can see immediately on the left side some changes happening, so that is our legend. And then I'm also going to adjust the radius of points based on the size of the apartment. So now we have some legend happening here, and we can see now on the left side we have both the color explanation, so from lower rent to higher rent, from green to pink, and then the size of the point goes from smaller apartment to bigger apartment. So that's our explanation, but we should also give this some sort of a title. So now under labels and pop-up, we have legend. So here you can edit if you need to edit some of the specific numbers or text or whatever there is, or you want to caption it. So let's write price and square meters. So now we have both the caption and the explanation under. And this helps the viewer of the map understand what is the visualization about. And then in the builder, if you want to communicate this to the viewers in a shared interface, you can bring the layers widget into one of the sections, and then you have the same legend showing there. Like this. So this is how you work with legend in Atlas.